Hot summer days and nights just got cooler. From backyard to beach, lake to tailgate, camping to crazy festivals, Johnny brings the party anywhere. Johnny's been designed with a love, and it shows. He cares about you and the planet. Some of his cool features: making refreshing smoothies and cool cocktails with his powerful 2-speed blender. Johnny's solar panel keeps him throughout charged by renewable energy while everybody is chilling in the sun. Never miss a call from a friend to join the fun. Use the integrated USB connection for charging all your mobile devices. And what would be a party without music? Johnny's detachable Bluetooth speaker is prime quality and can be paired with other speakers. His own pop-up, clip-on sun shield is easy to attach and store. It keeps everything extra chill, and much more. Maybe Johnny Cool can't save the world, but he can make it a little greener. He is about cool design and quality that is sustainable and has a low carbon footprint. Johnny is made from recycled material and organic plastic. Johnny comes in a wide range of stylish colors. Made in Germany, outstanding quality and built to last a lifetime. That's why we offer a special lifetime guarantee to all supporters.
I'm Elphinstone. I've been working for the past 10 years as a creative technologist, building prototypes and applications, and I've been interested in augmented reality for a long time. And now that the technology is finally ready for headset-based augmented reality, I've been wanting to get into that space, but the current market is made of a lot of expensive developer kits that cost over $1,500. That's why I created Ghost, which is a complete augmented reality solution that has a headset that is powered by your smartphone.
Many people around the world experience frequent power outages. The Luminizer makes sure you always have access to a safe, reliable light source. It requires no batteries, sunlight, or cords. Instead, the Luminizer converts warmth to electricity. Using a single tea-light candle, you're able to run powerful LEDs for several hours. The Luminizer is small, lightweight, and rugged, and offers 2 practical light modes. Avoid false safety. Be prepared for anything.
The Taskin Cruise toiletry bag was an instant success with countless requests for a smaller companion to this breakthrough bag. Enter the Taskin Express, the compact toiletry bag perfected. Packed with style and many of the same features people love about Cruise. With the same high-quality construction and plenty of mesh pockets and tuck-away compartments for all your on-the-go essentials. All in a compact form factor that's perfect for shorter trips like spur-of-the-moment business travel, quick weekend golf getaways, or that overnight stay with you-know-who. The Taskin Express is always ready to go in sleek, modern style. It comes with Cruise-style suction cups, so you can attach it to any flat surface. And the same premium tarpaulin fabric, easy access pockets, metallized inner lining, and waterproof zippers. The Taskin Express even comes with a detachable TSA-compliant bag, so you can breeze through security. Because at Taskin, we are all about delivering innovative, high-quality products at a reasonable price. But don't take it from us. Look at what previous backers have to say. We can't wait to get the same kind of response from you. Get your Taskin Express today.
Hello. I was wondering, what do you get when you combine a MacBook Pro, a powerful GPU, and an Arduino into a single Maker PC? Well, the U-Bolt. Not a desktop computer and not yet another single-board computer. This is on a whole new level. It's a revolution. It's powered by AMD Ryzen embedded V1000 processor, and it allows you to make impossible things possible. Don't believe me? Well, let's have a look. Imagine, for instance, to create an AI-powered robot or a computer vision project. With the power of U-Bolt, both of them are a piece of cake. With its lightning fast GPU, you can play AAA games like LOL or Fortnite in Full HD. Plus, U-Bolt is VR, AR, and mixed reality ready. It's also the ultimate and even portable workstation. This amazing board runs even the heaviest IDEs and design software, and is perfect for 3D rendering. And there's no better HDPC. U-Bolt can handle up to 4 screens at once, so you can relax and watch a movie with your friends without trying finally a physical, virtual and mathematical world. But wait, the boat is not just powerful, it's also flexible. Yes, it's a super mini PC. Now, to reinvent the maker world, we need your help. So back the project and you get the boat at an amazing price. And remember, this is just the beginning.